Guys, what's up? This is Vishi here and you're watching Nixapian. I have a cup with some ice cubes in it and I'm going to pour some water into it. Let's see what happens. While I pour the water, the ice floats on top of the water. Why do you think ice floats on top of water? When you add a solid form of a substance in the liquid form of the same substance, it usually sinks. But in the case of water, it floats. Why do you think so? Why does ice float on water? To answer this question, we need to know what happens in the molecular level. If you look at a molecule of water, oxygen forms two covalent bonds with two atoms of hydrogen. Oxygen is highly electronegative, which makes hydrogen partially electropositive. This makes hydrogen convenient to form a bond which is known as a hydrogen bond between the oxygen molecule of another molecule of water. So this hydrogen bond is usually not so strong and it can be broken easily by the kinetic energy. Usually the kinetic energy is more than the hydrogen bond strength, so the bond is broken easily and the molecules go about in space randomly in the liquid form. This is when the temperature ranges between 4 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, which is the room temperature, and this is the temperature just before water freezes. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. At 0 degrees Celsius, the strength of the hydrogen bond becomes more than the kinetic energy, which means this bond can't be broken that easily. When water starts to freeze, the hydrogen bond is not broken and the structure of ice is created by all the hydrogen bonds of the millions of molecules that are formed between it. This gives a beautiful crystal lattice. That is why ice has the structure it has. When the temperature keeps lowering from the 25 degrees Celsius, which is the room temperature, to till the 4 degrees Celsius, the kinetic energy increases, the hydrogen bonds are broken easily, which makes the density of water to increase. So at 25 degrees Celsius, the density is much less when compared to water which is at 4 degrees Celsius. But after 4 degrees Celsius, the story is altogether different. Below 4 degrees Celsius, the hydrogen bonds now are more stronger and the hydrogen bond enthalpy is greater than the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy can't break the hydrogen bonds so easily now. So now what happens at 0 degrees Celsius? The hydrogen bonds are very strong that it can't be broken at all. So this forms a perfect crystal lattice for water, which is ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Ice starts to form, and as time passes, the ice is formed completely and the molecules of water are placed far apart in comparison to those at 4 degrees or more than 4 degrees. As you know that density is mass by volume, the volume is now increased because the molecules of water are far apart than it was at 4 degrees or more than 4 degrees. So now if you drop ice on water, it floats because the density of ice is lesser than that of water. That's it guys. If you like the video, do subscribe to Nixapian. This is Vishi signing off.